CY202 Metal Engraving Machine Introduction. Best quality with warranty 2 years. Direct engraving on all types of metals. Designed any letters, logos, image on software. And use software direct output engraving to materials. Stainless steel engraving. Rotary engraving. Steel tube engraving. Pin method engraving. Carbon steel engraving. Image, logo engraving.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.